Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, there's a little duck.
Oh, does it squeak?
It used to. Claire got a hold of it.
Oh, that squeaks. Did you hear it? Listen.
Oh.
There it goes.
Oh.
It's talking to me. It's saying, stop biting me. Oh, no. But I find it to be fun. And so does Claire.
I see that.
Let's get it over with. Claire is bad enough. Claire. Okay, now that we've said it.
Whoops.
What? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Woo. This is fun.
I know. It's so much fun when toys get picked back up. Oh.
See, I throw it and then you pick it back up. I've got you trained. You're a good human.
I am well trained.
You are a good human.
Oh, so I love your colors.
Thanks.
You got like, oops.
Pick it back up. Good job, human.
Oh.
Good human. Good job. You want a treat?
Yeah, what you got?
I've got a carrot. Oh, come on, pick it up.
A carrot?
Pick it up. Oh, good human.
Okay, this is ridiculous. We gotta go.
Bye.
Bye. Woo!